Here's how to get free Robux with Microsoft Rewards. So first, you need to go ahead and search for Microsoft Rewards or rewards.bing.com. And you'll be taken to this kind of interface where you need to go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account, or if you do not have one, create. Now, once logged in, you'll see your points. Scroll down and claim any available points, like the initial 100 points, or you can tap on the specific boxes over here that is indicating plus 10 or plus 15 or plus 5 or 50. Go ahead and claim all these points that is available. The points will be added in the today's points section in the top right corner of your screen, and you can also view the points breakdown. To earn more points, you need to complete your daily set. Do this every day to get streak bonuses, and there are always activities available under more activities offering varying point like we claimed earlier. And you can also earn with Bing searches. You can earn up to 90 points per day, 3 points per search, and earning starts with your third search. And after earning enough points, you need to click on the redeem icon over here, which is between on and status. Go ahead and select Robux digital card. Here, select an option, either 400 Robux, 800, or 1000 Robux. You can redeem points for 6,750 points for 400 Robux. And for 800 Robux, you need to earn 13,000 points. And for 1000 Robux, you need to earn 16,250 points. And after you have enough points to redeem, you can select the Robux that you want and then tap on redeem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.